She intended to fast, but she didn't get up for a sahur. Can she still fast, or does she have to eat the sahur meal, the meal before fasting? No, you can continue fasting, no problem. Eating the meal before Fajr is highly recommended, but whether you eat it or you don't, it doesn't affect your intention of fasting. And whether that is voluntary fasting or mandatory fasting, it is only to help you to continue fasting throughout the following hours. But let's say that you did not have any desire to eat, you didn't have any appetite, drink a little bit of water, okay? Eat a date or a fruit. No, that is sahur. It doesn't have to be a meal. And if you didn't eat at all, or you woke up even, so you intended to fast, and you didn't wake up, and it was after Fajr, you can resume fasting, and your fasting is perfectly valid.
فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون